Yes, greetings everybody. Welcome to the next day. Yeah, we're up on the farm again. I see me a bust some sweat. Run come down the hill, well, move briskly down the hill, you see me? I want to come on the farm because after near 12 o'clock, you know, place bright out, you know. You don't know. Start out, light to fire. Get rid of the mosquitoes, all our vibes, yeah. And yeah, see the thing now we plant yesterday, kinda with a little. Oh, you don't know, I saw it go with the drastic change. It'll take a little while for boost up back, you know. The aloe vera look nice though. Them tomato here, Jano. Sun come down hard on them and dry up already. Them a go on still. Them a go on. But the place kinda dry already, man. One day, you know. I come here in the afternoon, look at that. Them look nice still. Man, Jano, about this water system, how try out. It look like it drain out a bit, but maybe the cork need to pull some more, so I'll try this. Or maybe I need to get a bigger hole. Make a bigger hole. Hole was a little too small, so yeah. That's the update right now. So I'll go and water them thing, yeah. See my bucket them ready. I don't know. One day I'm gonna bring my tripod so you can see me water the thing them. But I need my two hand them right now, you know. So yeah, fire go on good. Water in the tank. Breeze a blow. Sun a shine. Butterflies. Birds a make noise. Give her thanks. You know? So I'm gonna get it now. I water them thing here and then soon link up again. Yes people, so I put a little bigger hole in the bottom of this. You see me? So let's see how that turn out. Okay, you see bubbles coming. That means it is dripping. Yeah. Little by little. Yeah. So I'm gonna bore next a little bigger hole in this bottle as well because I need to get that little drip effect. So bear with me because I'm holding the camera as well. Let's find this hole. Okay, so the hole is here. Okay, here it is. So let's let it get a little bigger. You can see the size? So okay, so I need to open the cork so we can see bubbles. Oh, it's like a pipe. Look how I turn the cork. Look what happened. You seen that? Look. I turn in the cork and it's spewing out. So I gauge it now. Slightly gauge it. But I want it to reach that level where it just drips out. This one is running. I don't see no bubble coming up. So let's just gauge it right there. Yeah man. Okay. See it bubbling. Alright, so I'm gonna water them thing here. Cause if you don't want to stick around with me while I water the thing them still, cause I bore a new thing, I want to try out this. So basically this is how I water this stuff. You know? Take a dip, make it, you know? Cause look how the earth dry. Man. Dry, man. And not good for get the plant water while the sun's so hot, you know, man. But I never have no choice. Yeah. Water them thing here. So you don't know this is the concept. Now I couldn't wait for me to water the thing in, so come back. Yes everybody, I bring some ashes with me from the fireplace. Come have a little fire pit yard, you know, so be ashes. So they must say it's good to add the ashes so it run with the insects so them not eat down the seed bed, and it add nutrients and make them grow nice and strong and green, and see it. So we're gonna try it out. We have the ashes, so we just apply. So we have some peanut here, so we just sprinkle little. Cause them must say how much you need. Just like a sprinkle. Keep with the insects. Insects don't like the ashes, you know. But the plants love it. So I just when I really want to put it on the plant them though still. So I'm just go around it. Just go around it so insects can't crawl come to it. You understand? And then the water now, when we water it send it down into the soil. Yeah. So we just go up on the next side. And just do a nice full circle. Yeah. Yeah, so them say that's supposed to keep all the insects. So we're gonna do it here, so same thing, basil and everybody. So I'm gonna put on the camera and then show you the end result, gonna get the vibes. So come. Yeah, so I'm gonna add the ashes to the seed bed. I just circle around them. And I want it directly upon them still. You know? See it there? I think we'll go a little bit closer in upon some of them. I look at this. See insects down here, man, crawling. Insect there in the place, you know, and then we see it as a place to eat. So we see them react to the ashes. See him gone upon the plant. Whole heap of insect, you see them? So him crawl up on the plant and put him in the ashes and see. Where him there? Ah. See how him react to the ashes. Don't look like him loving it at all. Yeah man, so Just add a little bit more on the inside of them cucumber here and thing. And then seal it up. But you don't know, add in the ashes. Yes, I. Here everybody, we just set back them back there again. It have a little bigger hole now, and we are gauge it by the cork. So the more you open the cork, and the more the water flow out. And the more you tighten it, and the more it drip. So we just need to find the right balance. You know? So the plant can get water throughout the whole day. Come on now. Yeah, look too fast. Our first time I do this, so we just try to find the right way to do it and experiment, you know? Nothing beat a trial but a failure. Yeah. So I don't know. Me and Dino water the thing them. So I eat that for the day. You see how farming no hard, people. I left just spend a little minutes, boom bam. You know? And a good exercise. Get you out of the house. Get you fit. Going up the hill. You know? So I look like I eat that for the episode, you know? So see you again tomorrow. We give you the update. So I'll go there.
You can taste it around. You see? That bubble not too far. What's that balance right here? This one you can't really tell.
Well, I'll see the end result tomorrow. Well, we'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Because if it's still full, probably the hole need for a little bit bigger. So the cork and everything can work. So I don't know, tell the people that I know Dino, man. True. So Dino stay, man. You have to get to know him, you know? Yeah. This look nice. Give thanks to Dino there again with me. See you again tomorrow. I wash up myself and I wash off my hand and wash it. Then go up the hill. See the hill there? Straight up this. Alright.